may mga libreng services po kayo. Tapos, paano niyo po matababawi yung pera yung nagagastos para doon at yung mga doctors?
Yung mga charity?
Opo.
Free, okay. May budget kaming nakalaan doon. Okay. In its department, say internal med, pediatrics, OB, surgery, kumbaga, meron kaming nakalaang budget. Paano nababawi? Ano yun ba yan? Yung sunod mong tanong, paano nababawi? Pag may mga charity patients kami, if they have PhilHealth, syempre, they are really indigent, inaano namin sa PCS.
Ang dami po mga hospital, paano niyo po pinapakilala yung MAMC, yung SMA sa mga tao po?
MAMC, yung hospital. We have a very unique mission rather than other hospital. Kasi yung ibang hospital, maybe their mission is pwedeng sa services, more on their services, pwedeng more on finances, pero we have a very unique mission that is to further the health and well-being of all peoples, leading them to Jesus Christ. Diba? Sa tingin mo kaya yung ibang hospital gano'n ang mission, diba? So, we have a very unique. So, with that uniqueness, maybe we are known, and one thing na pwede kaming well-known is we are a vegetarian hospital. We serve vegetarian. That's one of our uniqueness. Tama ba?
Yes.
Kung paano napakilala, di ba? Okay, paano makikilala? At saka yung, when it comes to the school, more than 60% kasi hindi Adventist eh. So by word of mouth, they could say that we have a good school, di ba? 40% lang. 40%. Say for example, we have 1,000. 400 lang ang Adventist, di ba? Kung 60 ang 600 ang
Next po, ano po yung mga bagong gamit at services dito na wala po sa ibang hospital?
I think hindi ko masasabi. Maybe other hospitals are more advanced in terms of equipment. Kasi ngayon lang kami nag-uumpisa eh. Like St. Luke's, Makati Med, Medical City, these are hospitals na mga ano na nga sila JCI, yung sa accreditation, they have achieved the highest accreditation eh. Pero at least, kumbaga, we are trying our best to improve our equipments. Like, hindi ko naman sinasabing kami meron, ang iba wala. Like, yung purchases namin ng equipments, we have brand new 2D echo machine, which is worth 3 million higit. We have new CT scan unit, which is about 11 million plus. We have new ultrasounds, cardiac monitors, pipeline.
So, di naman sinabi niya meron po kayong mga insurances. May PhilHealth, Coco Life. Ano po yung importance ito sa pasyente ninyo at important din sa inyo? Kung ano po yung importansya nito sa inyo, sa mga staff dito sa hospital na ito.
Okay. Pagdating kasi ng kung may PhilHealth, at least, uunti yung babayaran ng pasyente. Okay. On the side of the hospital, we are a bit assured na may magkukolekta kami. May masisingil sa PhilHealth, diba? On the side of the patient naman, instead na malaki yung babayaran niya, kung may PhilHealth siya, liliit. Okay. Yung HMO naman, yung mga HMO, kumbaga, kuha na yan eh, paid na yan ng mga pasyente.
Ano niyo po masasabi na yung mga doctors po, na sila, competitive po sila dito sa MAMC?
Paano ko masasabi?
Yung mga doctors po ay mga
mayroon kami credentialing. We don't allow any doctor to practice here na hindi talaga siya certified and qualified. Kasi may mga credentialing siya eh. At saka may accreditation yan eh. They look at the, how do you call that? yung competency ng doctors. If they are diplomate, if they are specialist, tinitingnan niya. May credentialing, may accreditation. Kasi, hindi kami, this hospital is not an open hospital na any doctor could. We have gone through the ISO standard na talagang ino-audit yan. Credentialing yan eh. Aside from the Department of Health na i-check ka, aside from the PhilHealth, Philippine Health Insurance Corporation na i-check kami. Yearly yan eh. Tapos meron pang ISO standard na in-meet kami. Meron talaga siyang credentialing almost every year. Tsaka may licensing ng hospital. They check on the competency of the staff. Katulad ng mga nurses. They should be licensed. Diba? With proper training.
Next.
Di ba po Adventist Medical Center? Paano po yung mga staff niyo po pag Saturday? Nagkaano po ba sila?
They will.
Paano po?
Kaya lang, yung mga work na directly sa patient, yung cleaning, yung more on the housekeeping, di ba? Tigil yan sa carpentry work, wala yan sila. Accounting is closed, billing starts after sunset. Admitting office lang ang kami. Kumbaga, skeleton force ang Saturday. And the outpatient department is closed pag Saturday.
Hawak niyo po ba yung Manila Adventist College? Pinapakailaman po ba kayo ng gobyerno sa pag-handle niyo po ng school?
Oo, merong accreditation din ng government yan eh. Kaya lang, we have a vice president in charge of that. We have one president, okay? Kaya ang pangalan nito iisa eh. Manila Adventist Medical Center and Colleges Incorporated. Dito sa Mount C, ay nagdo-donate kami ng 2% of our salary for scholarship. Kaya pag kami merong nag-apply, tapos i-interviewin. Pag magre-regular na yan sila, we would ask them, is it okay with you na 2% of your salary goes to go for fun? Sa foundation siya papasok. Pag sinabi niya yes, automatic yun, every month, 2%. Kaya yun ang family lang sa
Next question po. Ano po, Vice President for Finance po kayo? Ano po yung mga trabaho niyo?
Ano yung ginagawa?
Ano specific
Well, ang Vice President Finance, my main job is to see to it na yung lahat na pangangailangan ng hospital ay nafi-finance. Okay? Okay, di ba? Dapat yung mga earning departments, laboratory, pharmacy, radiology, di ba? Dapat they should earn. Diba? Yung mga support department naman, na katulad ng medical records, ng purchasing department, yung mga hindi kumikita, accounting office, di ba? Kumbaga, they are the support service naman na dapat naman, hindi sila naman masyadong magastos. Okay? So, we see to it that it's my job na dapat yung kita mas malaki kaysa sa gastos. Okay. So, at times, yung kita, diba, kapag mababa ang patient, konti ang enrollment, syempre konti ang kita. So, kumbaga, it is also my job to see to it na kung konti ang kita, bawas din masyado ang gastos na. Okay. On how to do that, we discuss it with the department heads. Kasi, kanya-kanyang area may department head yan. Accounting may